Today we are taking the topic tangents and normals. So first of all we have to consider a curve y is equal to fx, and then we have considered a tangent. Tangent means a line which touches the curve at any point. It means one point is common between that tangent line and the curve, and at the same point if we are making another line which is making 90-degree angle with the tangent, that is known as normal of that curve. So here y is equal to fx is a curve, and this is the tangent line. It is touching the given curve at A, and at A point this line is making 90-degree angle with the tangent, so it is normal to this line, and the point A is having the coordinates x1 y1. Now we are coming to the next form. Slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to fx, that is at point A x1 y1, means to say slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to fx at point x1 y1 is f dash x1. It means we have differentiated the function and then we have substituted x is equal to x1. Basically it is m, and m is dy by dx at that point A, and A is x1 y1. Now we are coming to equation of tangent at point A x1 y1 is, it is based on a line passing through the point x1 y1 and having slope m. So at the place of m we are putting dy by dx x1 y1, and rest the things are y minus y1 and x minus x1. Now equation of normal at point A x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx x1 y1, and because normal is perpendicular to the tangent, so the slope is minus 1 upon m. Now we are having certain observations. So one is the tangent to the curve fx, if it is making angle theta with the x-axis in the positive direction, then dy by dx is known as the slope of the tangent, and it is basically tan theta. Now slope of the tangent line is 0, then tan theta is equal to 0 and theta is equal to also 0, means the tangent is parallel to x-axis at point y is equal to y1. Tangent is parallel to the x-axis and its equation is y is equal to y1 at a point x1 y1. If theta is equal to pi by 2, that is tan theta is equal to not defined, then tangent is perpendicular to the x-axis and parallel to the y-axis, and its equation will be x is equal to x1 at point A x1 y1. It means if theta is equal to 0, tangent is parallel to x-axis, equation is y is equal to y1. If theta is equal to pi by 2, then tangent is parallel to y-axis in spite of x-axis and perpendicular to x-axis, and equation is x is equal to x1. Now we will try to explain the same fact by taking few examples. So I am going to take few questions of exercise 6.3. The given curve is y is equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x, and we have to get the slope at x is equal to 4. So first of all we have differentiated dy by dx. Differentiation of 3x power 4 is 12x power 3 and 4x is 4. Now slope of the tangent at x is equal to 4 is the value of dy by dx at x is equal to 4. Put x is equal to 4 here. 12 into 4 power 3 minus 4, the final answer is 764. Now we are taking few more questions so that it is more clear. Say question number 3 of the same exercise. Given curve is y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 1, and slope of the tangent to the curve at x is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 2. dy by dx at x is equal to 2 is 3 into 2 square minus 1. So final answer is 11. So these are the things when we are taking the slope of the tangent. Now I am taking slope of the normal and I am discussing question number 5. Given curve is x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta, and at theta is equal to pi by 4 we have to get the normal slope. Now dx upon d theta we are solving, we are getting a cos cube theta. Cos cube theta differentiation is 3 cos square theta into differentiation of cos, it is sin, and a as it is. Now differentiation of y, sin cube theta you can write 3 sin square theta. Sin theta differentiation is cos and a is attached already. Now dy by dx is dy by d theta upon dx upon d theta. After the division we are getting the value minus tan theta. Now slope of the normal at theta is equal to pi by 4 is minus 1 upon dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 4. So we will write minus 1 upon, at the place of theta put theta is equal to pi by 4, minus 10 pi by 4. So minus minus plus, the value is 1. So these are the two cases when we have taken slope. Now we are taking the points. Say I am taking question number 7. Given curve is y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. So we have just supposed it is equation number 1. Now first differentiation, x cube differentiation is 3x square, 3x square differentiation is 6x, minus 9x differentiation is 9. So dy by dx after factorization we are getting 3 into x minus 3 and x plus 1, and basically it is slope of the tangent at any point xy. And here it is given in this question tangent is parallel to x-axis. In the question it is given tangent is parallel to x-axis, so the slope is 0. It means dy by dx is equal to 0. We will put this portion is 0. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. Now put x is equal to 3 in equation number 1. We will get answer minus 20. X is equal to minus 1 in this equation, y is equal to 12. So we will get the required points are 3 minus 20 minus 1 12. Now some another type of problems when we have to get tangents and normals. So I am taking question number 12 when we have to get the value of tangent. This is given curve y is equal to 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3. Now first of all slope of the tangent, we are getting the value of dy by dx. Apply the quotient rule and we are getting dy by dx is equal to minus 2 x minus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3. This is slope of the tangent at point xy. But because we are talking about the tangent, the slope of the tangent is 0. So if we are putting this portion is 0, we are getting the one answer, x is equal to 1. Put this x is equal to 1 in this equation, we will get y is equal to half. So required point is 1 and half. At this point we have to get the value of equation of tangent. So equation of tangent at this point, it means y minus half x minus 1 is equal to m. So y minus half is equal to m. M value is already 0 into x minus 1. So we will get the answer 2y is equal to half and 2y is equal to 1. So this is equation of the tangent.